Ideal Matriculation Higher Secondary School. Good morning, students. Class 6th Standard. Section 5. Subject English. Topic Sea Turtles. Section 1. Sea Turtle. Sea turtles of the world: green sea turtle, olive ridley, Kemp's ridley, flatback, leatherback, loggerhead, hawk's bill. There are 7 sea turtles found in the world. Section 1. Most of us have seen a tortoise in a zoo or a reptile park. However, not many would have seen its marine relative, the sea turtle. This is not surprising since these reptiles spend almost their entire life in the sea. It means we mostly see the tortoise in zoo or reptile park, but we would not see most of the sea turtles found in India. It is not surprising because some reptiles have in sea in other countries too. The sea turtles spend their entire life in the ocean. There are 7 species of marine or sea turtles in the world. Of them, 5 are found in India's coastal waters: the olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead, and the leatherback. There are 7 types of sea turtles in the world, but only 5 of the sea turtles found in India. The name of the sea turtles found in India are the olive ridley, the hawksbill, the green sea turtle, the loggerhead, and the leatherback. Compared to most tortoises, sea turtles are huge. It means when we compare the tortoises and sea turtles are huge. It means tortoises are small. Do you know what is the difference between the tortoise and sea turtles? Turtle, it is an aquatic animal. It lives only in the ocean. Aquatic, it means an animal lives only in water. But the tortoise, it is a semi-terrestrial animal. It means it lives both in land and water, and also it lives only in fresh water like pond, river, lakes. Usually tortoises are smaller in size, but the turtles are bigger. Some turtles are flesh eaters, but the tortoises are herbivorous. What is herbivorous? It means it is a plant-eating animal. This is the difference between the turtle and tortoise. Even the smallest species of the olive ridley weighs up to 35 kilograms when it's fully grown. The olive ridley is the smallest living creature. It means the smallest sea turtle in the world. It weighs up to 35 kilograms when it's fully grown. The largest of them all, the leatherback, grows to a length of 2.2 meters and each could weigh as much as 700 kilograms. The leatherback is the largest sea turtle in the world. It grows up to 2.2 meters and it weighs up to 700 kilograms. Sea turtles live their entire life in the ocean, but they still have a connection with land. They must come ashore to lay their eggs. Sea turtles spend their entire life in the ocean, but they must come ashore to lay their eggs. Today, 4 of the sea turtle species mentioned above have become extremely rare in India. The olive ridley, however, are still commonly seen nesting on sandy beaches all along our coast. Nowadays, 4 of the sea turtles are hardly seen in our countries, but we have to see the only one of the smallest species, the olive ridley, we have found in our country. Students, let's see these pictures. This is the picture of olive ridley. Look at this picture, how small the turtles are. Next, this picture is the world's largest sea turtle, the leatherback. Students, I hope you enjoy or you happy to see this picture. Today's school fun. I have a few questions for you. Name the sea turtles found in India. Which one is the smallest sea turtle in the world? Which one is the largest sea turtle in the world? Where did the sea turtles live? Write any 2 differences between tortoise and turtles. Students, answer these 5 questions.